To create a block, let's draw one circle over here, another small circle here. You need to create object before creating the block. So let's say this is our object. So this entire system we want to create a block. Here you can see this ribbon is for block. Click here, create. Now we need to give one name here. Suppose this is test block, and you have to specify the pick point, first point, then x and y position will come. So click here, let's say this one, and now specify select object. I want to select the entire object, entire thing. So the entire thing I want to create a block. Select and click here, press enter. Okay, now convert to block. Click here, and if you want to scale this uniformly with the other objects in the layer, then you can click here. Otherwise you can uncheck. And if you want to allow exploding, then you can click here. Otherwise uncheck. And here you can specify the unit, meter, millimeter. It's done. So now click OK. You can see this is now a single object. So if you want to edit this, then you can click here, edit, then select the block you have created, then OK. Then such type of window will appear. So in this edit block you can edit also. Suppose I want to, let's delete this one, but this block is not uh, deleted. So let's click another layer here, layer 1. Let's define the color. Okay, in layer 1 I will recall that object here in this layer 1. Insert test. You can see as per this layer properties, this block is uh, now inserted here. If you want to copy, so you can copy any number of blocks. Okay, this is how you can create